Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks to be able to read and write in English language. You will never forget the letter J with the tricks I would be showing you in this video. If you want to follow up on the tricks I reveal on how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hold on. Have you been following my videos? I love you. You are a good friend. You should also try to follow the other episodes so that you can be able to understand this video. To learn how to read and write in English language, you must know how to pronounce the English alphabet. In the English alphabet, every letter comes in the small letter and the capital letter. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. The small letter J and the capital letter J is the 10th letter of the alphabet. There are 2 letters on the screen. The first is the capital letter J and the second is the small letter J. The first trick you need to know is that the English language, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter J is pronounced as J. 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 Another trick is to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the letter J. When pronouncing the letter J sound, the mouth is open at the initial sound, then closes at the letter sound. Another thing you need to know is that all English alphabet has phonic sound. The phonic sound of letter J is Ju. 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 When pronouncing the Ju sound, the mouth is pushed forward and the lower tongue and the upper gum is pressed together to produce the J sound. So, letter J sounds J. Let's recite it and say it quickly. Letter J sounds J. 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 Wow! Good job! Examples of English words that begins with letter J sounds J are J, as in jug, J, as in jet, J, as in jump. Another trick I will tell you is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a stroke, a curve, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter J, it is formed with a stroke and a curve up below with the addition of a dot on top. For the capital letter J, it is formed with a stroke and a curve up below. So, between the small letter J and the capital letter J, which of them has more lines? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.